Hey guys, so today I am showing you this. Here's my iPhone XS Max. Really nice. Got the space gray 256. Got this in today. I absolutely love it. I'm actually coming. I was an Android user, and now I am trying out this iPhone. Um, well, this is my first iPhone. So as you can see, it's $39. I picked this up today. Today's launch day, April 21st. I'm not sure when I'll be able to actually upload this, but I kind of wanted to get this other case as well because it's really nice. And let me go ahead and just open it up. It's nice. So here's the case. Little instruction video. So it is actually really beautiful. Feels really good. It's got a nice silky rubberized grip and feel to it. This is the inside. It's got almost like a I don't know what kind of texture. Like a soft, I don't know, fabric in there. Feels really nice. It's got a really good grip though. But let me go ahead and pop this in. Kind of show you guys what it actually looks like with it. Let's see if I can one-hand this. Bear with me here. So here we go. Looks really nice. This red is really nice. So it's nice and grippy. Overall, feels really good. I don't think there's much of a lip on this case that I can tell. I mean, there's some, but this thing falls and you're not gonna have a good time here. But other than that, it's really nice. Got a nice opening on the sides. It's a cool looking effect right here. I guess that's a facial reader, but that's kind of awesome to look at. So yeah, overall, really nice case. If you're somebody that's really good at handling it, doesn't really drop it, then you shouldn't have much of an issue with it. Again, it's got a good rubber texture to it, so it's very grippy in the hand. But other than that, yeah, just be careful with this. Maybe slap a pop socket right on the back of it just in case. Maybe, and maybe definitely get like a tempered glass protector on this thing. But overall, really nice case, really pretty. Is it worth the $40? I probably. I mean, I would get it just to have a different case, different look. Might go ahead and get the product red band later on. It's a nice, good combo, the black and the red. But yeah, I mean, other than that, yeah, overall, it's a really good case. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I will go ahead and subscribe. I got some more items that I kind of want to review. I got some case sleeves. I got some of those safe magnet charging cables that I kind of want to try out and review. If you haven't seen, I'll link my video to the other UAG Monarch series case. This is a really nice case. And yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, and thanks for watching.